Y'all see this? You see that I gotta put up with? These little kitties. Got a little white on them. Can y'all see these little kitties? Stop. It's alright. It's alright. Don't fall. Oh, you trying to fall. It's the other two over there sleeping. This one right here, you see him walking. These two won't stop me yowling. Come here. Ooh, you fell? Don't fall. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. This is what I gotta deal with. Shh. They alright. They alright. They not. They ain't hungry or nothing. Walk into my hand. You look through, just falling all over the place. Man, I gotta show y'all this. They ain't gonna stop this all day until they fall asleep, you too. So you can walk into my hands, I can catch them that way. There's these other ones right here. I'm gone.